phobia of cats.
हाँ.
So there should be no cats in the trip. And I've heard people say that you can travel now, but once you have kids, you won't be able to travel. Learning about new ways of life because every country, every city has its own ways.
Right now, why do we feel that we are maybe not as liberated or in a cage, but travel makes us
There's so much in a rut, every day we have this whole routine, we follow it to the T. Going in the water villa, हमें लगा था हम water villa में रुकेंगे, ऊपरी क्रॉप करके पानी में ना चला जाता. We both are dentists.
Instagram पे मिले एक बार प्लीज एक्सप्लेन कीजिए कैसे मिले.
But taking all these strangers together, I think that this worry was always there that how are these people going to bond? She had cancelled the party she was having
हाँ.
and she had come on this trip to celebrate the birthday with these strangers.
Why do people come with strangers and travel? जब वो अपनी फैमिली के साथ भी कर सकते हैं ना, बिल्कुल बेसिकली थेरेप्यूटिक हो जाता है.
Therapeutic होता है.
वेरी नाइस.
हमें बहुत लोग बोलते हैं that they're coming back, you're a different person.
हाँ.
And my children get to see me follow my passion. That's, I think, really important because in the greater run, they might just appreciate that more.
पहला ट्रैवल प्लान करना हो तो what would the domestic destination?
We did a self-drive safari in Kruger National Park. So we have
They allowed?
whole moment. Yeah, there's self-drive only.
ओह फिर से एक बार बच्चा हो गया तो फिर ट्रैवल रुक जाएगा. अभी जितना ट्रैवल करना कर लो. Where does that come from? Hello, and welcome back to your neighborhood stories. I'm your host Ayush. Picture this: you have just had a baby. The world is telling you to slow down, stay home, wait until the kids are older, and somehow between the nappy changes and the sleepless nights, you book a flight. Because that's who she is. She has been traveling for 8 years. She became a mother, and not for one single day did she consider putting the passport away. लोग बोलेंगे कि मुमकिन नहीं है, बच्चे हैं, अब कहाँ जाओगे? She didn't just ignore that. She built an entire community around it, proving everybody wrong. Today, I sit with Nikita, the co-founder of Travel with Kids India, a community of over 200k like-minded people who refuse to believe that motherhood is a full stop. This is a story of a dentist, a pandemic baby, a friendship that started on Instagram, and a first trip to Puducherry that sold out in a few hours. Enjoy the story. Hi Nikita, how are you doing?
I'm doing good and thank you so much for having me here.
Ulta, yeah, thank you so much for coming here. And I'll tell you why, because I'm so passionate about travel and I'm so happy that somebody who has done so good in the travel industry is here with us today.
Thank you so much.
And I'm so excited for this episode.
Same here. I'm very excited to talk about it
Haan,
so that we can get more people to travel with us.
of course. And I get to hear all the stories. So I'm happy that way. Nikita, why don't we get started with you telling us a little bit about yourself and then we'll take it from there.
So I am a mother to two boys and known as the co-founder of Travel with Kids India. I was a dentist, which seems like a past life now because it's been more than 5 years that I've quit dentistry. But now I'm very happily making mothers travel all around the globe.
How did a dentist come here, Nikita? Please tell us a little bit about that. No, how does you being a dentist all of a sudden switched careers into this path?
So we have COVID here to play a role. It all started as I was always very passionate about traveling, as you are, and I've heard people say that you can travel now, but once you have kids, you won't be able to travel.
We'll talk a lot
So
about that.
yeah. So when I heard that, I was a little nervous
Hmm.
when I was expecting. I'm like, maybe I have to stop traveling. But then I also kind of made it a point that I'm going to fixate on this and change this narrative, and I'm going to travel with my children. So that time I had my older one. He's 7 now, but he was 1 year, just over 1 year when COVID started. And I was planning on going back to work. I
Huh.
had quit my job when I was pregnant, and I was just planning on going back to, joining dentistry and all. And that's when COVID happened.
Hmm.
And COVID, I would be crazy to go back to dentistry
Correct.
specifically.
Yeah.
So then I decided, okay, let me just continue with my break. And with COVID being there, you're stuck in the house with the child, with a 1 year old who wants a lot of your attention. So I started blogging about it, the experience with my child.
Acha.
So
Nothing to do with travel, just aap
no, so I
with
had
you and Ahan.
already,
That's it.
So I had already started.
हाँ
I had started with this intention that I'll post about traveling.
हाँ
But then came a standstill where we were not traveling.
करेक्ट
But then my page became more about generic parenting and the approach you take with your child.
हाँ
And I started posting about that. So
अच्छा
that's how I actually got into Instagram, because I wasn't that serious about Instagram till
हाँ
then. And then that happened, and we started blogging. Also, travel came into picture eventually when the things were lifted up. And I realized that there are so many parents who are hesitant to travel with their children. I also found someone who I could share this grief with, and we started something called
Grief.
Travel with Kids India.
yeah
And we are here. It's been 5 years.
what is it about travel, Nikita? Why do we travel? I mean, why do you travel? I'm very intrigued by this question because travel is also, like I said, is so close to my heart, and I love traveling. Me, my Anka, both we love traveling, right? And we have made Arham also love travel so much because he travels with us all the time. What is it about travel for you? Why do you travel?
I mean, I would not call it like it's a passion or something. I have just find it liberating to, go somewhere, explore a new place. It is quite enriching. So I enjoy that experience of going to a new place, uh, learning about new ways of life, because every country, every city has its own ways and own
Correct.
quirks. And that's something I enjoy.
Hmm.
So that's about it, I think. And then I like few nature-based experiences,
Hmm.
because in this day and age, we are so far from nature
Correct.
that I like to go do these specific nature-based experiences, also expose them to my children
Hmm.
who don't get that much of it, probably not even the sliver of what we got in our childhood.
Hmm.
So I like to expose that to my family. And
You used a very amazing word, liberating. And I also find travel very liberating. Why is it liberating? What is it right now? Why do we feel that we are maybe not as liberated or in a cage, but travel makes us
we're
liberated?
so much in a rut, every
Hmm.
day we have this whole routine, we
Hmm.
follow it to the T. Even now, when my work is travel, all of it is travel. But when I'm doing it on a daily basis, when I'm planning, organizing, it's a rut for me. But when I'm on a trip, it's liberating, because then you get to see new people, see new things, and then you don't have to worry about anything. You're just there in that moment, worrying about nothing, and then you can just come back and worry about your own life
So
later.
it's also about getting out of that zone of doing the same things on a daily basis, and then something is new happening when you're traveling and you get to experience new stuff.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay. But when Ahan was born, when was the first trip that he took?
He was 3 months old
Ah, okay.
when we took him to Mysore.
हाँ
We took our baby steps as well as
हाँ
new parents.
3 months में बेबी स्टेप नहीं होते हैं आप लोग सीधा दौड़ रहे
But
थे
Mysore.
मैसूर वाज द बेबी स्टेप अच्छा
Yes.
ओके
So we were like very cautious, Kitane, because versus with the second child, we went to Turkey Sitha when he was 3 months old.
3 months for Turkey
Yes.
wow
So,
okay
which means that when he was 2 months, I was already planning it. Because Turkey is not something you can
can just do
it. Yeah. So I think, we went to Mysore,
हाँ
and it was just precisely because people told me that you can't travel with your children. Is
हाँ
why I wanted to make sure that I travel with my children.
हाँ
So I actually cautiously I did a lot of things that made travel easy for me with the children. One of it was to expose that early on, which is, I think, 3 months was decent enough, wherein I was also, because as a mother, you need to heal as well from the whole experience of birthing. So at 3 months, I think was a good time when we did it, and very safe for us. Mysore was 2.5 hours. अगर ऐसा लगता कि नहीं हो पा रहा है
तो फिर
चैक
तुरंत
करके वापस आ जाते
2.5 hours बैंगलोर
Yes.
हाँ
But yeah, went well. So
मेरे को ये भी जानना था कि ये आई थिंक इट्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ टैबू एंड वी कैन टॉक अ लिटिल बिट मोर अबाउट इट लेटर इन द एपिसोड बट वेयर डज दिस कम फ्रॉम व्हाई डू पीपल से कि एक बार बच्चा हो गया तो फिर ट्रैवल रुक जाएगा अभी जितना ट्रैवल करना कर लो वेयर डज दैट कम फ्रॉम एंड दिस आई थॉट वाज इन इंडिया बट देन आई फाउंड आउट इट इज़ ग्लोबली बट देन आई फाउंड आउट कि अच्छा ठीक है कि फॉरेन कंट्रीज में भी थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं विद द किड्स बट इंडिया में तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो
India
जाता है
yeah,
कि
yeah. I feel it's a mix of a few things. One is this deep-rooted conditioning that parenting comes with sacrifices. So you have to sacrifice something. So maybe travel being a luxury experience. It's not that everybody has to travel. There's not life altering if you don't travel. So I think that's why people feel that ye sacrifice kar lete hain, because it's definitely not going to be the same. But when you are traveling with your spouse versus you're traveling with the children, it is definitely going to be different. So some people are probably scared of that difference. They don't want to take that challenge on. So that's why they don't travel. Others, I also feel that there is this overprotective parenting that we do,
हाँ.
wherein we don't want to put our child through any discomfort. And for sure, travel comes with discomforts.
Hmm.
Not every travel is going to be comfortable. As an individual, also, when you are traveling, you are also stepping out of your comfort zone. So I think there is this whole overprotectiveness wherein you want to over fixate on things that my child has to have this nap time, has to have this meal time, but you can't take that control when you're traveling. So you sort of step back and you say, "I will not do it until my child is older." But you have to let it go, and that's how you actually start traveling with your children, perhaps.
How did the trip with Ahan went? The Mysore trip is what I'm talking about. How did it go? Because with the second one you had the experience from the first one, right?
First
So
one,
इसलिए
yes.
टर्की गए
Yes,
कि
yes.
वापस आने में time लगेगा. It's okay. But how did the Mysore trip go? Because you just mentioned something very nice ना, that कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा protect करना चाहते हैं अपने child को. हम चाहते हैं कि उसकी meals एक certain point पे हो, उसको comfort रहे. But how did that go? Because आपका वो सारा गया. As soon as you go into Mysore, all of that is done.
Yes. So definitely it went well. तभी हमने second वाले के साथ टर्की plan कर दिया. So एक तो 3 months is also an age where you don't have to worry about much unless you are formula feeding. तो you have to make those formulas and all. But otherwise the child is going to nap. So you just have to accommodate that nap time. So this is something I tell everyone, that even when you're traveling solo versus you're traveling with a partner is different. Similarly, when you're traveling with your children is different. You have to adjust according to everyone. So here it's just that the child is going to depend on you for your adjustments. So 3 months तो बहुत easy age होती है actually
हाँ,
travel करने के
but
लिए.
8 months, 1 year, उस
Yes.
टाइप का time
So
period.
then we traveled. We went to Maldives, which was our first international trip when he was 9 months old.
Hmm.
तब solid start हो चुके थे.
Correct.
Nap drop होने लग गई थी. Everything had
Must be
started.
crawling also at that
He was
point.
crawling.
वो
He was
सबसे बड़ा
scared of
tension
going
होता
in
है.
the water villa. हमें लगा था हम
हाँ.
water villa में रुकेंगे, वो कहीं
Correct.
crawl करके पानी में ना चला जाए.
हाँ.
But I think you just do it.
हाँ.
And I actually have made a lot of conscious parenting decisions based on the fact that I want to continue traveling with my children. Like baby wearing, I've also followed baby-led weaning, which is a form of starting solids, wherein the child starts eating on his own from 6 months onwards. मतलब when you introduce with self-feeding only.
अच्छा.
So that was something I made a decision thinking कि भाई फ्यूचर में ट्रैवल करेंगे तो ऐसा नहीं हो कि पीछे चम्मच लेके भागना पड़े.
Correct.
So these are few things that I kind of, and they have been touchwood really helpful, because I have never worried about meals. Like the Maldives trip I was talking about, he was eating, and 9 months pe you eat chota
Correct.
pieces. And I have had people come to me. Maldives is a trip where, for your 5 days, you're going to eat at the same place.
Yes.
So we used to go everything. The staff knew कि आएंगी, इनका बेटा आएगा पर ये खाना खाएगा, गिराएगा, पर वो अपने आप खाएगा.
हाँ.
People used to come and tell me that, your baby really eats well. He's eating on his own, and like I've made that decision for myself. So yes.
So was that a very conscious decision of letting go of the control of कि मैं अपने बेबी की हर एक aspect of life को control करूंगी, and then travel में वैसा नहीं हो पाएगा, इसलिए I'll have to let go of that control.
I have let go. I mean, it's not easy. Like baby-led weaning, when I talk about, is not easy because you have to see your child not eat also at certain
Correct.
times. But I think I'm that, I don't know, patthar dil ya jo bhi hai, where I am
No,
fine.
good
with it.
parenting is what I would
He's
say.
not, if he's not eating, he's not eating. It's
हाँ.
his decision.
हाँ.
And on travel, especially, kids don't eat.
Hmm.
Travel या birthday parties में नहीं खाता है मेरा बच्चा तो जाके. So I am like, okay, if you don't want to eat, it's okay, and we'll take it on the next day. You eat more if you want.
हाँ.
So you have to let go of that control. I mean, you
Correct.
can't make sure that everything goes as planned, which I talk in general also. Like when you're traveling, you will definitely go with a lot of plan in hand. But if your child just throws a tantrum, you have to then abort that mission, come back. So you have to go with that mindset.
Correct. So there's always a mindset of also कि ये trip as plan नहीं जाएगी. It's okay. So वहाँ से भी you have to let go of that control.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Very interesting. तो okay, तो आपने dentistry करी, Ahan happened, and then COVID happened, and then जब हुआ कि वापस जाना है काम पे, what was that thought process then? कि अब वापस dentistry join करनी है.
So जब मैं ज्वाइन करने वाली थी तब कोविड स्टार्ट हो गया था. So he was 1 year when I was interviewing at places, and then I decided, okay, maybe not now. And mid-COVID, we started travel with kids.
अच्छा.
So we started in 2021. जब
Okay.
ओमिक्रॉन वाली वेव
हाँ,
was still
April,
there,
May.
it had just come.
हाँ.
So we started, I think August is when we announced.
Huh.
So somewhere that Omicron happened after
Hmm.
that. So we started then, and then it was always supposed to be a one-off thing. We'll do it for passion. We'll take mothers.
But who is we here?
Oh, I have a partner.
Okay.
So she is in Chennai.
Huh.
She's also a dentist.
She's not in
She's
Bangalore?
not in Bangalore.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So her name is
Huh.
Sakshi, and we
Huh.
met on Instagram. So
Do
we
tell.
became friends on Instagram, and that's how
नहीं
we
नहीं बट
started.
इंस्टाग्राम में कैसे दोस्ती ऐसे बन गया वो भी आप सेम सिटी में भी नहीं रहते हो यार सेम
Yes.
सर्कल भी नहीं है आपका
No, same circle. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि
हाँ
we know each other because we are dentists,
हाँ
but we didn't. And हम Instagram पे मिले थे because we have same age kids, a
हाँ
daughter and Ahan, my oldest son.
हाँ
They're the same age, and we both are dentists.
इंस्टाग्राम पे मिले एक बार प्लीज एक्सप्लेन कीजिए कैसे मिले हाउ डू यू मीट समबडी
So
ऑन
we
इंस्टाग्राम
both had public pages because
हाँ
we like to talk about, as I said,
Oh.
I used to talk about parenting
हाँ
and travel. She used to talk a lot about travel. And because we had same circle in terms of what kind of niche we had,
हाँ
so we met each other. And what clicked was that we had children of same age and we like to travel with our kids. And not many people in that time used to talk about traveling with children. So that's how we got connected. And once we were connected, eventually we started talking about this lack in the space of travel, wherein only mothers can't travel with their children. You're either traveling as a family or you are just traveling in those common groups if you want to
Correct.
do a group travel, wherein
Correct.
it's not really child centered. So that's how we started talking about it and we started travel with kids. And the first trip we did is where we met.
Oh,
We had not met
Not-
before that. We
nothing.
had planned everything. We
Huh.
became business partners
Huh.
before we actually met.
Wow,
That's-
that's a lot of मतलब आप किसी के ऊपर इतना भरोसा
Trust,
कर रहे हो
yes.
इतना ट्रस्ट oh my god so there is no market gap analysis which was done it's just conversations
It was just a
happening
conversation.
oh wow
The analysis was the announcement that we made,
Huh.
and that was our seal of stamp that this is it. This can be done. This can be
Yeah.
approached as a business model as well.
Hmm.
But it was always a very passion project, and
Hmm.
we just wanted to bring mothers together, and that's how we started.
ये पहला वाला तो must have taken guts must have taken a lot of
planning, a
Huh.
lot of vetting, and like itinerary vetting, the place where you're going to stay. Because it's one thing to plan your own travel for your own family. कुछ गलत हो भी जाएगा तो कुछ और कर लेंगे. But when you're doing for others and you're also charging them for it, you can't really go wrong on very basic things. So we had a lot of brainstorming back and forth, and we announced it in August, end of August. But before that, we had to do a lot of discussions and a lot of guts. We were not sure whether we'll get people or not. Because
Huh.
we were booking hotels and everything, and we thought we'll take 5 people. I mean 5 moms. And ultimately we took 6 because we had an overwhelming response. But at that point, we were not confident to take more than 6. So we took 6 people, and we immediately announced the next one in the same month.
अच्छा
So that's how it all started.
what was Anshul saying in all of this because Anshul your husband what was he saying because आपने अचानक से किसी आप इंस्टा पे मिले आप कभी उनसे रियल लाइफ में नहीं मिले हो आपने उनके साथ बिजनेस प्लान बना लिया आप लोग एक ट्रैवल विद किड्स आप अनाउंस भी कर दिया what was his thought process
The only thing I told him is that I'm going to leave Ahan and go, and I'm going to do this
हाँ
for once, okay?
हाँ
And then you just have to look after him.
हाँ
And he was like, let's do it. And the good thing is I was collecting all the money people were paying. So
Ah.
Anshul didn't have anything to budge about.
Sakshi had.
Sakshi had. And I tell her also, what if I would have run away with all that money and 5 people with you to take care of? But yeah, I think we trusted each other.
we
that
should
way.
talk to
Yes.
Sakshi also कि ऐसा twist कैसे आया हाँ talk a little bit more about जब आपने post किया how was that reaction because it got sold off in a day
Yes.
Oh my
In a
God.
few hours.
in a few hours it got sold out
Yes.
हाँ.
I'll tell you, I vividly remember that day because that's Anshu's birthday.
oh
So
okay
that was my husband's birthday,
Huh.
and I had planned a picnic for him. So we
Hmm.
were just 2 of us going to go to this very remote place near these Banarghatta forest nature reserve wala area. वहाँ पे there is this point. We used to stay near Banarghatta.
अच्छा
So I had just thought of it that we'll do that. So we announced it, and I replied to a few queries here and there, and then I told Sakshi, no, I'm going to go prepare for that picnic. and then I'll be gone and come back and we'll see how it's going. So I went and I was busy preparing. We went to that area, and now I had no idea there's going to be no network over there. So there was no network. And when I come back, I have these frantic messages, missed calls, everything. And Sakshi's like, I think we are sold out. So the thing is that there were people, so because we both had public pages, there was this layer of trust that people already had. They were following us since whatever months that we were posting. And so they were the people who I think they knew that this was coming. We had done a little bit of pre-build on, what we are going to launch. So there were people who trusted us enough, and definitely there was a gap in the space, because as soon as we announced, within a few I would say a few hours, because by the time I was back, it was like कि payment आ गया तो full है हम. So we were full.
वाओ! टेक अस अ लिटिल बिट थ्रू दैट फर्स्ट ट्रिप में जो आप लोग पहला ट्रिप के लिए जा रहे थे। आपने बोला आपने बहुत प्री वर्क किया, सब कुछ किया। बट यार देयर मस्ट बी सो मच ऑफ बटरफ्लाइज इन योर स्टमक कि आपको 6 मॉम्स, देयर किड्स एज़ वेल, 6 मॉम्स एंड देयर किड्स एंड लाइक यू सेड इट इज़ नॉट योर फैमिली, राइट? You don't know Sakshi in person as well, right? What was that? Please take us through that process a little bit.
So definitely not nervous about meeting Sakshi, because we had definitely discussed a lot and we knew that we align on certain things, and that's why we are doing this. But taking all these strangers together, I think that this worry was always there, that how are these people going to bond? I mean, the only common thing is parents. These are mothers. That's all that's common between them. I don't know how that's going to go. And we have this set itinerary. We've really brainstormed to make it very comfortable for everyone, but every child has its own different schedule and everything. So we used to get these, we still get these forms filled to understand the child's mindset with travel experience, their schedules in terms of meals and their preferences. So we tried to fulfill all of that. And it was also somewhere mid of COVID when we started. So a lot of things had to be taken care of. So there was a lot of nervousness and butterflies when we started off. But I think when you start doing it and you're so in the moment, I remember coming back with swollen feet because there was so much of running around to do. That had only happened once after that when I was pregnant with my second one. But before that, it had never happened. And I had come with swollen feet because of all the going up and down and doing things. Also the excitement, I think.
Exactly, and because it must be so exciting कि हमने ये joint venture चालू किया and it has taken such a good shape कि within hours it got sold out. So there must have been a little bit of pressure also, that it makes sure that that it has to go well. There is no major hiccups. Small hiccups तो होंगे इधर उधर, but no major hiccups that could derail the future trips, right? तो वो तो I'm sure होगा. तो any moment from that trip that you remember very very vividly that you can tell us?
I think the most satisfying moment of these trips, and especially the first one, is when we realize why we are doing it. Is one of the nights we were all sitting, all the moms, we were 6 moms and 2 of us, and we've had these heart to heart conversations. And one of the mom was so prepared, she had come with a baby monitor. So she had put a baby monitor, her child was sleeping, and we have all sat and had some hilarious discussions over light. We had actually come with these Sakshi had got these conversation starters कि हम वो roll out करेंगे and people can read questions and all. Nothing, we needed nothing, we were all
अपने आप
bonding very organically.
हाँ
So I think वो जो moment होता है, and when your
हाँ
child is sleeping, and
हाँ
it is not easy to make friends in your 30s, and when you do that, it is just unbelievable. And that's when, I think as we sat and we realized that this is exactly why we are doing it. So that always stays very close to my heart as an experience where everyone came together. So
must be happening right now also.
yeah. All the
All the
trips.
trips.
The second trip we did,
Huh.
which was also in the same month, we had 4 moms who had joined from Bangalore, and the kids were the same age. And उसमें से one mom, and I have to mention this, her son's birthday was there.
Ooh.
On those dates, she had
During the trip.
during the trip,
Okay.
she had cancelled the party she was having,
Huh.
and she had come on this trip to celebrate the birthday with these strangers.
Wow.
And those 4 mothers and the kids have become such good friends. Like
Huh.
now, they were 3 then,
Huh.
and they're almost 8 now. And I see them so often, and it is a very satisfying experience. And even recently, one of them messaged me that her son's Yuvan, and Yuvan's asking that when are we going on a TWK trip, because it's been long now. So they keep coming, of course,
Huh.
because they've become friends. So they come together, they come individually. One of them has done over 10 trips with us. But
Over 10 trips with you
yes,
guys. Wow.
but it's very satisfying that They do come together and they become friends like this.
Why do you think people do this, Nikita? Why do you think people would want to go away and travel with strangers? Now, one could be rut, of course, but is there anything else to it by I, as a person, would take my child on their birthday and then travel with four different strangers and celebrate?
And was very sweet of her. She had gone return gifts. She got these beach toys for all the children who were traveling. So we did a cake cutting and she gave everyone those beach toys. So it was a nice celebration. And then she must have celebrated once she came back. But it was a nice gesture from her and to trust us enough on our second trip to come and celebrate her son's birthday with us.
But in general, also the people that you get day in day out, leave alone the birthday part. But in general, also every trip that you guys have is sold out, right? Why do you think people do that? Why do people come with strangers and travel? जब वो अपनी फैमिली के साथ भी कर सकते हैं ना, बिल्कुल.
कुछ लोगों की फैमिली नहीं करती है, so some people don't like to
Sure.
travel. So some have husbands who are either have in a traveling job or do not like to travel in general.
Sure.
Have schedules where they can't travel. So
Hmm.
most of the moms we see are those who come
Hmm.
because their husbands can't. And some come for that experience where they have the children have other children to bond with, and the mothers can be in a very non-judgmental space because
Hmm.
frankly a mother doesn't judge a mother because
Hmm.
she's going through her own challenges already. She knows what the other person's going through as well, so it becomes a very nice and liberating experience when you're sitting there, and you might not even meet that person again unless you like bond on that level. But you experience a whole new place, a whole new experience of being with these strangers. And जैसे लोग solo trips पे जाते हैं, but
Correct.
for better or worse, a mother doesn't really have that option all the time that she can go on a solo trip. She can't always leave her children. You go on a solo trip, you enjoy, and that's how it is here also, because the children are going to eventually bond with other children and it's going to become your solo trip. It's just you'll have to take care of the children as well. But
No, but I think the non-judgmental part is so spot on, Nikita, because I feel जो आपने बोला ना कि एक बार आप वहाँ पहुँच गए, everybody, it's a community of your own, right? Even though you don't know the person, you know the kind of hardship that they've gone through, and you know कि आप उनको judge नहीं करोगे because they are also in the same space as you. And that is what would be a very safe space to travel. And of course, आप नई चीज़ें देख रहे हो, जैसे आपने बोला कि you're experiencing new places, kids are bonding. I mean, that's a very good experience to have. Just coming back to the trip, आप लोग जब वापस आए, आप लोगों का वो debrief कैसा रहा? आपका और साक्षी का?
Yeah,
What did you guys talk about? I mean,
we were very satisfied.
हाँ.
Frankly, because the day we came, we announced the next trip because हमने बहुत लोगों को मना किया था, because the first time we didn't want to really take so many people that we are also overwhelmed with that.
Correct.
And so we just realized that we should announce our second trip, and we did that.
Hmm.
And we had a good response for that as well, and we made our own pointers of what should be done, what should not be done. But one thing was constant: the evenings are going to be free, so that we are back and everybody can just put their legs up and enjoy and have fun. So we really thoroughly came back very satisfied with the whole experience.
So that is when the travel with kid got launched. And like you said that the evenings were free. Just tell us a little bit about how travel with TWK looks like.
Okay. So once someone enrolls with us that they're going to travel, we have this whole process of onboarding wherein we get a form filled, we add them to our WhatsApp group that we have, so that we can debrief on what's happening. Like, we don't want to surprise them with the itinerary. We also have like a list of essentials. In some cases, we also have like what to wear on these certain days so that you're prepared, and maybe you can have some common things that you want to wear and have some dance reels or something to do. So we have all those fun debriefings. We have a video call, so we have a bit of introduction, and you get to know the people you're going to meet.
So before you go on the trip, you have already done so much of,
Yes,
bonding. With,
bonding,
yeah,
yes. So
between the group.
Yes, the whole point is that you shouldn't come there clueless.
Huh.
So you come there with the whole itinerary in place, and we have this video call wherein we do the introduction and the briefing on the itinerary. And when you're there, then everything is taken care of. So whatever has been informed, we have transport, stay, experiences, all of that sorted, and one of us from the team is always there. And yeah, that's it. And then you just, along the way, we kind of try to bridge the gap between the people and try to be the icebreaker. But mostly mothers just, find the way of bonding.
Did the icebreaking part come naturally to you? Because it is very difficult,
No,
especially.
it does not. I am not a very extrovert person. But
Says the founder of Travel with
yes,
Kids.
yes. I'm not a very extrovert person, but I think I enjoy the fact that I can bring so many mothers together.
Hmm.
So keeping that in mind, I kind of try to, you just have to just maybe one or two things here and there, and then
Hmm.
everybody's got something to share. So
Ah,
they just bond over that.
okay, so then the group the video chat happens, and then what?
And then we have the trip whenever it's planned. And during the trip, we're there to handle them. And we do like places like Disneyland. And we kind of brief them on what to do, how to navigate through that. Because there we can't be with individual person. But everything is taken care of. Whatever we feel that as a mother you will need, we prepare for all of it. And we have very heartfelt goodbyes when we are done. And then that's it.
But during the trip, is there like any kind of rituals that you guys have formed, you and Sakshi have?
Yes, we have. There are a few things we definitely do. Like I said, the evenings.
Huh.
So that mostly happens in domestic trips, because international trips usually places like Singapore and Hong Kong, they have so much to do. Mothers want to step out in the evenings also. They want to go shop. But wherever it's possible, they kind of find their own kind of people. But on the domestic trips, definitely we have these evenings where it's winters. We have a bonfire, so you're
Very
around the
nice.
bonfire. You have some music and light. Conversations that ways, and there are always some experiences that we try to add, like a local experience. If say it's Jaipur, then we'll sort of do a block printing textile experience for them. If it is Mysore, then we found this lake which has water sports for the children. So those kind of little things. Mysore also, we've added safari as an experience. So we do these things. We also try to find some family run stays, so that it's more personal, more smaller stays. Like we have
ऐसा नहीं कि
that.
होटल में रह रहे हैं
Yeah,
types.
mostly we kind of do not prefer that.
हाँ.
मतलब इस तरह का हो कि थोड़ा सा पर्सनलाइज लगे, और अब इतने टाइम से कर रहे हैं तो स्पेशली मैसूर पौंडीचेरी, तो इट हैज बिकम अ सेकंड होम ओनली.
अच्छा.
You don't even have to tell them anything. You just have to tell them that we are coming and these many rooms, and then everything goes
They
on
can clear.
autopilot now. Yes.
Very nice. आपने बोला कि you guys also prioritize the mother because the mother is the forgotten part once the child comes.
Yes.
How does you guys make sure that you are taking care of the mother as well?
So there is this misconception when you see Travel with Kids, you feel that it is a company for the children, for them to travel. But sorry, it's not. It's for the mothers. It was ideally created for the mothers to travel, just that they do it with their children. So we try to keep it mom centric, keeping in mind that even they want to travel. So हम ना बच्चों के लिए कुछ कुछ नहीं कराते रहते हैं. Even mothers get to experience certain things. Like if you see Mysore, you go to Mysore Palace, बच्चों के लिए कुछ नहीं है वहाँ पे, and younger kids तो won't appreciate it also. But हम फिर भी जाते हैं because a mom who's traveling to Mysore would like to see the Mysore Palace. That is iconic.
Iconic. हाँ.
Yes. So we keep it, and we keep it very short so that it's not like the child is not going to cooperate only, but we do take them there because it is for the mothers at the end. And similarly, the evenings where I say it's a whole, blow your steam
Steam.
kind of
हाँ.
evening
हाँ.
is keeping that in mind.
Very
So
nice.
that, you when you get to talk, you are in that no judgment zone. You
Hmm.
can tell every, and we've heard some very cathartic stories, and we've had people from all walks of life, and they have their own experiences, and we get to see that, and just we forget it. We don't talk about it again unless you want.
आप लोगों का तो ये बेसिकली थेरेप्यूटिक हो जाता है.
Therapeutic होता है,
Oh,
होता है.
very nice.
हमें बहुत लोग बोलते हैं that the coming back you're a different person.
हाँ.
And we never really knew that we were going to make such a great impact, but we have, and we are really proud of it.
एंड आप लोगों का ऐसा भी होता है कि आप अपने बच्चों को छोड़ के जाओ, विल टेक केयर ऑफ द किड्स एंड यू गाइस गो व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू.
नहीं, ये नहीं
नहीं,
होता.
इतना नहीं
होता
किया है.
कि बच्चों को छोड़ के चले जाओ, बट हम कभी कभी कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस करते हैं. जैसे
हाँ.
श्रीलंका में भी हम मास्क पेंटिंग.
हम्म.
So जब बच्चे मास्क पेंटिंग कर रहे होते, we have a team who's taking care. The mothers can just go chill at the beach or something. So
वेरी नाइस.
very little, but yeah, we do such things.
आपने बोला either you or Sakshi or both of you are there in every trip. Why is this such a non-negotiable?
Or someone from the team.
Someone
So
from
we
the team,
also
हाँ.
have a team. So you need someone to navigate through, and someone trustworthy. So you can't just leave the mothers to it. तो फिर पता नहीं क्या करेंगे. Everybody has their own mood to do. We have a whole itinerary in place, and we also want to ensure a level of safety. So one of us is there to make sure that things are running smoothly, because at the end we don't want them to be running any logistics over there. Everything has to be taken care of. They just have to show up with whatever instructions we have given, and that's it. And everything in the back end is taken care of. any troubleshooting has to be done by us.
Correct. But you guys are always there.
Yes, one of from the team is always there.
When you guys started the TWAK, did you ever imagine अभी आप लोग 200K पे बैठे हो और आप लोग Instagram पे followers and it is gonna grow exponentially given how niche and good this idea is. I should actually talk to Anshul about a father trip also.
नहीं आएगा कोई.
So sorry, coming back to the question, आप लोगों ने कभी विजन किया था कि इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा आगे and you're gonna get such good responses and such amazing trips?
वो नहीं होता, लोग पूछते हैं कि है ना, where do you see yourself from 5 years? We definitely didn't see ourselves here 5 years back. We started it thinking कि थोड़ा बहुत करेंगे, we'll take a few moms out, we'll see how it is. And both of us, more than traveling, we also enjoy planning and organizing and implementing it. So we used to enjoy that. उससे शुरू हुआ था. Now we would have never thought कि हम केन्या पहुंच जाएंगे एक दिन, हम केन्या की ट्रिप कर रहे होंगे, ये I don't think so. Now definitely we have aspirations because we've
Correct.
seen this, so we want to grow it even more.
हाँ.
But not definitely we didn't think that this would grow so much.
तो जब आप लोगों ने शुरू किया, हाउ डिड यू गाइस कन्विंस योर फैमिली? निकिता, मतलब वो काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट पार्ट रहा होगा ना, बिकॉज आप दोनों डेंटिस्ट हो, अच्छा खासा डेंटिस्ट्री चल रही है और फिर आप शुरू करना चाहते हो ट्रैवल, तो वो कैसे आपने कन्विंस कैसे किया अपनी फैमिली को?
हाँ, so एक होता है कि एक secret you like to travel,
हाँ.
एक है कि you leaving your career aside and you're
Correct.
going to make this your full time.
एंड टेकिंग पीपल, अननोन
yes.
पीपल, क्योंकि उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना थोड़ा सा बड़ी चीज़ है निकिता.
Yes.
सो हाउ डिड यू, सॉरी.
So, and also when you are an engineer and you want to start something else, XYZ, तो कोई question नहीं करता है.
हाँ.
But when you're a doctor और तुमने इतनी पढ़ाई की है and then you say कि नहीं, मैं तो अब डॉक्टरी नहीं करूँगी. So that doesn't really go well with everyone. There was some hesitation with the family, definitely not the immediate family. Like my husband and my mother, they had seen that how this is working out and I enjoy it immensely. And but there was, I mean, there have been questions from the family that, okay, now what, like, is she pursuing that full time? And but I don't think I had to convince anyone. I was just doing my thing and it has worked out well in the 5 years. So
So basically you went in your element and then everybody saw कि यार this is where Nikita is the happiest.
yes.
So what is the cost of starting or doing something like this, Nikita, where you are away from your family for so long? Because आपका I think back to back travel होता रहता होगा. What is the cost of it?
So I do miss a lot of my kids' milestones, which, and in general also when you're traveling so much, वो routine नहीं बन पाता है, which I really miss, क्योंकि you want to have some routine in the end. You just don't want to keep traveling. I'm in and out of suitcases all the time. And I miss my kids' milestones, which is a big thing. But as a mother, I think I've made peace with it. And I know that this will happen because this is how my work is. And my children get to see me follow my passion. That's, I think, really important, because in the greater run they might just appreciate that more
Correct.
rather than me giving up everything and coming back for them. Also, I feel that when you are doing something with so much of passion, you have to give up something. You can't have it all. And
100%.
then
100%.
that's how it is.
Who is the support system from? Because आपको support system लगा होगा बहुत
Yes,
majorly.
yes.
हाँ.
I cannot do it without my husband and my mother, who
हाँ.
are really holding the fort at home.
हाँ.
So मेरे घर पे मेरे पे कुछ भी डिपेंडेंट नहीं है. Because अगर मुझ पे
ये है नहीं
dependent
घर पे.
रहा
हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
मैं वो 4-5 दिन नहीं होती हूँ,
हाँ.
तो वो फिर it will all goes crumbling down.
Correct.
So there's nothing that depends on me. So
हाँ.
right now, if the house has to function, it can purely function without me.
Hmm.
And it takes a lot of help. So we have external help. We have my
Sure.
mom is there. I have
Hmm.
my husband who whatever is possible, because he also has a full-time job, but still he makes sure that if there is something like an annual function has to be attended, then he'll move things around to be there for that annual function, because one parent has to be there. But yeah, they do give in a lot. In fact, when my second one, he was born during we had travel with kids. I was pregnant and then I gave birth to him. So when I started traveling when he was 6 months old, I used to take him with me.
Sorry, so there was this question that I wanted to ask also. Good that you're there. जब आपने travel with kids चालू किया तब he was not there. You became
Yeah,
pregnant
my
in
second
the
one.
way.
Yeah,
हाँ.
yeah.
And then so आपने कुछ break लिया, कैसा था वो?
हाँ, I took a break. तो मैंने I traveled till first trimester में मैंने नहीं
हाँ.
travel किया था.
हाँ.
Second trimester I traveled.
Oh, okay.
And then the third trimester again, obviously, then I took a 7, 8, 9 months
Huh.
probably,
Huh.
because 3 months of that and then 6 months post giving birth. And that time Sakshi had to put in a lot more because she had to cover up for me also. But then when I started traveling back, when my second one was 6 months old, I used to take my mom with me. She used to take care of him at the hotel, and I used to conduct the trip. So I
Oh,
have
so
done
आप
that.
आपकी mom and the second one you used to
Yes.
go together.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's how I've done most of my trips during that time.
Huh.
And then I think he was around a year old or a less than a year somewhere. And I had to go to Chennai for a work one night, overnight. And my mom told me that, you leave him. Maximum what will happen is he's going to cry in the night, because night was what was worrying. Day mein he used to stay without me. But in the night he would look for me. And she said that we'll take care of it. And how I said, you can't just have your child in a comfort zone all the time. So we had to put him to that discomfort so that I could then eventually, because it was kind of breaking my mom's routine also. She's not signed up for it. She didn't want to travel so much. So it kind of made sense for me that I was anyways going for a night. I left him and he stayed back. So then that was one baby step I took, wherein I could then go for 2 night trips. So we started doing that. And so, as I say, a lot of people had to step up so that I could continue doing this.
Wow. And from that 6 months, जो आपने 6 months साथ में किए, it must have been really difficult. And I ask this question because 6 months में भी बेबी ऐसा नहीं कि पूरी रात सो रहा है,
Right, right.
राइट? एंड आपको अगले दिन सुबह उठ के वापस से ट्रिप कंडक्ट करना है, वो आपने कैसे मैनेज करने की था?
I think it's all that passion. मैंने
हाँ,
किया है
क्योंकि आप पूरे दिन
actually.
घूम रहे हो ना, ऐसा नहीं कि
Yeah,
आप
yeah,
रेस्ट कर रहे हो यार, आप पूरे दिन घूम रहे हो, लोगों
right.
का आप ध्यान रख रहे हो, जो भी कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है उसका आप टेक केयर कर रहे हो, एंड देन योर मॉम इज ऑलरेडी, सो दैट्स एन एडिशनल कॉस्ट, राइट? सो ऐसा भी नहीं कि आपकी टीम से बहुत लोग ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं फिर आपके साथ, तो आपने वो रात को जगना, फिर अगले दिन सुबह फिर पूरा घूमना, आप सोते कब थे फिर?
Running high on passion.
वाओ,
फिर वापस आके,
ओके,
but once I'm back from the trip, even now,
हाँ,
मतलब अनवित को नहीं लेके जाती हूँ मैं, अभी भी मैं वापस आती हूँ, एक दिन में किसी से बात नहीं करती हूँ, I need my to come back to life now. I need one day of silence. I don't talk to anyone when I'm back.
uh, what would you tell the older version of Nikita, having done so much of things? What would you tell that Nikita? Because in your form you told me also that, मैंने आपसे पूछा था कि कौन आपके ऊपर ट्रस्ट नहीं किया जब आपने आइडिया सोचा, आपने कहा मैंने खुद ने अपने ऊपर ट्रस्ट नहीं किया था. सो टू क्वेश्चंस देयर, व्हाट वुड यू टेल दैट वर्जन ऑफ निकिता? एंड सेकंड, कि जब आप खुद पे आपको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है एंड यू टुक bloody big bets कि साक्षी was unknown, आप strangers का travel कर रहे हो, how did you overcome that your own trust deficit?
I think you do it when you have that idea. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ belief होगा that I definitely did it. But it took a lot of courage to do that. I was also giving up a career which happened gradually. It was not कि मैंने सोच लिया कि अब ये नहीं करेंगे ये करेंगे. It was not like a job that I left that and I joined this. But gradually it so happened that I was giving up that also. And there was this belief that you can do it, and there was this larger picture where I just really wanted, because I had heard it from a lot of people before कि एक बार बच्चे हो गए तो फिर तो अब तो ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकते हो, तो वो नरेटिव तो मुझे चेंज करना था. एंड माय ओल्डर सेल्फ वुड बी रियली प्राउड कि नरेटिव चेंज ही नहीं किया, अभी करवा ही रहे हैं सबको यही.
So you must be very much in a conflict with yourself. एक पार्ट बोल रहा है कि यार नहीं हो पाएगा और एक पार्ट बोल रहा है यार एक आइडिया है,
Yeah.
let's at least give it a shot.
Yeah.
तो बहुत
But I
वैसा
think,
है.
like I said, people around me always trusted. Like Anshul always
हाँ.
said that if you feel you can do it,
Hmm.
you must give it a try. And
Hmm.
even now he tells me that
Hmm.
if there is a destination you feel you should do it,
Hmm.
you do it. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, loss हो जाएगा.
Hmm.
Some back, we'll do the local trips.
Hmm.
But if you trust in something, you must do it.
Hmm. एंड द सेकंड थिंग यू वेरी नाइसली मेंशन्ड इज कि वो एक टैबू है जो आपको तोड़ना था और आपने तोड़ा ही नहीं,
वो
आपने तो
तो
एकदम
I think वो feeling बहुत strong थी.
हाँ.
So
बट इस टैबू के बारे में बात करते हैं आज की डेट में. हमने ये बात तो करी कि लोग बोलते हैं हमेशा कि एक बार बेबी हो गया तो फिर गए. व्हाट इज इट दैट अ मदर डीएम्स यू यूजुअली कि निकिता, व्हाट इज द मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम अ टैबू पर्सपेक्टिव, ट्रैवलिंग द फर्स्ट टाइम विद अ किड अलोन?
yeah, thoda to I think it's societal also. A lot of people have this, that how will we do it, and how is our family going to react to this, that I'm going to travel without my husband alone. And then there is this self doubt as well, that will I be able to take care of my child, because I've never done that. I've always done it with my
Husband,
husband or someone in the family. I've never done it. But I think what we tell them is, you just have to give it a go. And zyada se zyada, if you are not able to do something, come back to the hotel. Especially with younger kids, like a 2-year-old and all, you have very unpredictable tantrums and stuff. And if you feel that, because every child has a different temperament. My child who has traveled so much might have a very different temperament from someone who has not traveled at all. So, but you have to give it a chance. And a lot of people like to travel, but their husbands don't like to travel. So for them, this is such a safe space. If they can do it once, they can do it again, and they can do it multiple times later. So we just tell them that, you have to give it a try. That's all we can say.
आपका कस्टमर स्टिकीनेस इंडेक्स बहुत हाई है। वंस को एक बार आके एक ट्रैवल कर लिया तो फिर तो अगली
चस्का
3-4
लग जाता है उनको।
फिर हस्बैंड्स को रोकना पड़ता है, अगर रुक जाए हमारे साथ भी कर लो थोड़ा सा प्लीज। अगर कोई पहली बार ट्रैवल कर रहा है निकिता, irrespective of TWK anything else, if a mother who wants to travel with their child, what would be your advice, the most important thing you would want to tell them to come out of this fear?
That, as I said, it's going to be different. It's not going to be, you can't go with like 100 checklists and then tire your child and do it. You have to make sure that your child is also accommodated in whatever you're planning. And then also be ready to change your plans. It's not going to work out 100%, but once you do it, you don't, like I said, not very overprotective. Be flexible with your plans. Your child might not eat, your child might sleep less, and you might have to make those changes, but to give it a shot. And once you do, again, it's addictive. Once you start doing it, you would like to do it again.
So the idea is to let go of the control a little bit.
Yes.
Don't just be over control and कि हर चीज़ इस प्लान के हिसाब से ही जानी है. Be flexible.
थोड़ा सा फ्लेक्सिबल होना पड़ेगा.
And I think that must be because you मैं पूछना चाहता था आपसे कि क्या सबसे common mistake होती होगी. I think this must be the most common mistake that people might make. अगर कोई
Yeah.
कि ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव होना है,
Overfixating
ओवर
on
फिक्सेटिंग,
it,
हाँ, कि
yes,
ट्रैवल
yes.
ऐसे ही होगा तो ऐसे ही होगा,
हाँ.
राइट? दिस इज काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सनल क्वेश्चन दो। आप जब आहान के साथ ट्रैवल करना शुरू किया, आपने उसकी नज़रों से भी थोड़ी सी दुनिया देखी होगी। व्हाट वाज दैट डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव दैट आहान ब्रॉट इनटू द पिक्चर?
Ahan and Anvit both.
बोथ, हाँ।
So, I don't remember like a specific thing, but you learn a lot from children. जैसे अभी हमने शुरू किया है, हम बैंगलोर में ट्रेक्स पे जाते हैं, आहान एंड मी. सो ही विल बी द वन रनिंग इन फ्रंट, क्योंकि वो आगे पहुंच जाएगा, फिर उसके पास वो है वॉच. ही कॉल मी वेरी स्मग टोन, मम्मा यू आर स्टिल स्टक एट द बैक. आई एम ऑलरेडी एट द टॉप. So I have learned that fearlessness from him. I'm fairly athletic. I would not say that I'm climbing mountains or anything, but I can do it. But still, I am a little scared here and there. But वो I have to tell this organizers कि भाई ध्यान रखिएगा, मैं तो नहीं पहुंच पाऊंगी, कहीं गिर ना जाए इधर. So that fearlessness I have definitely learned from him, and that childlike, I think that innocence only can bring that. Once you've seen so much of world and all, you become a little hesitant about what they're
Correct.
doing.
हाँ,
And with both of them, and I've learned resilience also as someone who's traveling. Make your children travel, and you will learn so much from them. We did this road travel. We were just discussing. You also did a long road travel right now. We were coming from Maharashtra to Bangalore. There's a heritage town called Sawantwadi, and we were coming back from there on road. And it was a long travel. So we thought that we'd break it somewhere because the children will get tired. So we booked a hotel. We stopped there. We still had daylight at hand. So we just thought that if they are up for it, we'll take it back on the road. And they had to stretch their limbs, थोड़ा सा खाना खाया और बिल्कुल कि चलो चलते रहे वापस. And we were back to Bangalore the same day, and both were, this is way back when Anvit was probably 2 years and Ahan was 6 back then. But we did it. So we've learned that resilience from them.
yeah, so this is something that I also very much agree with because अरहम कई बार हमें इतना सरप्राइज कर देता है ना, जहाँ हमें लगता है कि अरहम की लिमिट खत्म हो चुकी है, अरहम विल नॉट, वहाँ से अरहम चालू करता है। So I 100% subscribe to this thought process. अगर किसी को पहला ट्रैवल प्लान करना हो, TW के हटा दो, पर अगर कोई मदर है जो अपने पहला एक अलग से ट्रैवल करना चाहते हैं, व्हाट वुड द डोमेस्टिक डेस्टिनेशन, आई वुड कीप इट टू डोमेस्टिक, जहाँ वो ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं, जस्ट एज जैसा आपने मैसूर किया था, just to figure it out?
Yeah, so it always depends on age, but sooner the better. So if you're starting sooner, wherever you are, वहाँ से जो भी closest place है. So that if you are in some trouble, you don't want to continue, you can come back. And as a destination, if you look at it, I really like Pondicherry, Goa, because they are beach destinations. So the children are happy. You can go to any beach in Kerala, probably. So those places are nice to explore
And
with
I
the
think
children.
mountains are the beaches, इसलिए भी अच्छे mountains पे चढ़ना पड़ेगा, वो सब होगा. Beach
Then
is
you
like
don't know motion
easy going.
sickness है कि नहीं बच्चे को.
हाँ,
You
वो भी है.
takes time to realize that.
Correct.
So beaches, direct access हो तो better है if you can go by flight or train. But
At
then-
times ignorance is such bliss. No, I just got this idea कि हमने कभी आराम के साथ सोचे नहीं motion sickness है, नहीं हम सीधा उठाते थे और सीधा.
so my husband has motion sickness. ठीक है,
अच्छा.
तो मुझे हमेशा से डर था कि किसी बच्चे को
ना आ
motion
जाए.
sickness ना निकाले. And Ahan has puked
हाँ.
couple of times on the road. एक बार तो हम कूर्ग से ही वापस आ रहे थे. But रास्ते से नींबू खरीदा, पानी में मिलाया कि कोई बात नहीं.
You'll be okay. Having traveled so much, Nikita, how have you changed as a person? I'm very intrigued for this question.
I have, and more importantly, because I do it with travel with kids also, because ultimately you're the sum of the people you meet, and they do rub off on you at some level. And imagine me meeting mothers who have done all these sacrifices for to achieve whatever they have, and you meet them so regularly. So I am a very different person from what I was 5 years ago. And that's all because of I've met so many people and so many places. They make you feel you're such a small part of such a huge world where there's so much happening. So you do feel a little different.
Which is your favorite place in the world right now?
A
As a
favorite
destination, you'll
place in
go
the
again
world.
any given time of the day.
I like safaris.
Hmm.
I do like wildlife safaris a lot.
Hmm.
So I recently went to Masai Mara, which was incredible. But I had an incredible time in South Africa, which was a mix of, I also enjoy road travel. So we did a road trip as well as a
This
safari.
is TWK.
No, this is my personal travel.
Acha.
So we went to South Africa, wherein we did a road travel from Port Elizabeth to Cape Town.
Oh wow.
So we stayed in small towns along
Wow.
the way, and we did a self-drive safari in Kruger National Park. So we have
They
this
allowed
whole moment. Yeah, there's self-drive only.
Oh.
So you have safaris, but
Huh.
वो तो minimum like 3 hours, 2 hours they run in the
Huh.
morning and evening. But otherwise it's self-drive. So you can take your car inside. You stay inside the park, and there is this certain point where it is closed. He is time says time that you can't go in the nights usually, and then morning 6 o'clock you can start take off, see as many animals as you want to. So that remains.
But like full wildlife तो मतलब आप
Yeah,
safe अपनी
yeah.
गाड़ी के अंदर
Yeah,
हैं.
we've seen कि हम we used to usually go to water bodies.
Of
We
course,
water
वहीं आते
bodies
हैं.
पे वहाँ पे animals होते थे. We were just there. We were parked there. We were looking कि giraffe दिख रहा है and all that. Suddenly we see the lot of cars are taking a reverse and all, and we turn back and there is this lioness coming. And हम तो शीशा ऊपर कर रहे हैं. There were people who were bringing their
Down.
windows down कि selfie लेंगे उस lioness के साथ.
Wow.
So yeah,
Okay.
but it's safe. You just have to be careful with the elephants.
हाँ.
Otherwise it's safe.
Wow. Okay. I went into another different world altogether. Seriously. What is next for TWK? आपने कहा कि अब आपके पास एक aspiration है for travel with kids. What is that aspiration? Between you and Sakshi, of course, not just
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Both
So
of
we
you.
do want to bring in a lot more destinations.
हाँ.
Like become open to a lot of international destinations. So we will definitely bring that. We really believe in nature-based experiences. So more of those, and hopefully it will grow as much or beyond what it has in the last 5 years.
Given my passion for travel, if you're recruiting, let me know. अगर आप travel and kids का एक father version चालू करना चाहते हो, let me know. Okay, we're gonna do a quick rapid fire round. Okay.
Okay.
It is gonna be fun. Which is the destination, or do you get very bored going to same destination again and again and again? Now the people could be new, but like you have done Hong Kong 5 times.
It has become about the people now. I can go to Hong Kong again with different set of people, and I'm good.
Best destination in India for a first trip with toddler. One word.
Goa.
Goa. Goa. With you. The first thing Ahan has taught you about travel that you couldn't have learned any other way?
Fearlessness.
Fearlessness. Weirdest request a mother has made during the travel?
I have a phobia of cats. So there should be no cats in the trip. There was a very recent request that somebody has made.
So you have to ensure कि उस travel में कोई cat
cat नहीं होनी चाहिए. Then we are like, हम सोच रहे हैं कि क्या कहीं cat होती है उस trip में.
Sakshi, just one word. What is Sakshi to you?
She's a soulmate.
Done. Now, this just last question that we ask all our guests, Nikita. We ask that आपके अभी तक की life journey में, आपकी story में, what is that one piece of advice, one pearl of wisdom that you want to give away to somebody or whoever is listening to this podcast? What is yours?
I'll give this as a mother that you don't have to draw a line once you become a mother. It's an expansion of your own life. So you have to just continue doing what you do. Maybe do it a little differently. That's all.
That's it, Nikita. Thank you so very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you so much.
और इसी के साथ आज की स्टोरी यहीं खत्म होती है. I hope something from this conversation stuck with you. Maybe a line that hit home, or just a reminder that your circumstances don't define what's possible. If you found some inspiration or value here, please subscribe, like, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. It really helps us keep telling these amazing stories. And if you have a story of your own that deserves to be told, reach out to us. All the details are in the description below. Until next time, take care of yourself. Your story matters, and see you in the next one. Thank you.